Welcome to our healthy cooking session. Today we're making a delicious and nutritious stir-fried vegetables with tofu dish. Not only is it packed with vibrant vegetables, but tofu adds a great source of protein. To begin, let's prepare our tofu by draining and pressing it to remove excess moisture. This step ensures a nice firm texture. Watch as we bring these ingredients together perfectly. With our tofu drained and pressed, let's cut it into cubes. Heat a large, non-stick skillet over medium-high heat and add a splash of vegetable oil. Place the tofu cubes in the skillet and cook until golden brown and crispy. Next, we'll learn how to stir-fry the vegetables to enhance their natural flavors, creating a nutritious and delicious dish. Stay with us. If needed, add more vegetable oil to our skillet. Stir-fry minced garlic and ginger until their aroma fills the air, setting the stage for our mixed vegetables. Toss in the vibrant veggies, giving them a quick stir-fry until they reach a tender, crisp texture. Keeping the vegetables slightly crunchy preserves their nutrients and freshness. Observe how these ingredients come together beautifully in our final dish, enhancing both flavor and health benefits. Now return the tofu to the skillet and combine it with our sautéed vegetables. Drizzle soy sauce, hoisin sauce, and a touch of sesame oil over the mixture. Gently toss everything together, ensuring each piece is evenly coated. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes to heat through. Up next, see how to beautifully present and garnish this vibrant dish. Transfer the stir-fried vegetables with tofu to a serving dish. Garnish with sesame seeds for an extra touch. Enjoy your healthy and delicious meal. Feel free to try this at home and share your results with us. Happy cooking!